In this video, we will be learning about how to create the queries. Now, there are two ways to create the query. One is using the query design, and second one is using the query wizard. The simplest way is using the query design option. Now, for doing that, here you can see I created one table with student detail. If I double click on this, you can see almost 6 records are inserted with some details like student name, class, DOB and gender. Now for creating the query, I need to click on the student detail and then I need to click on the create option or create tab, which is available here. In create tab, you can see almost two options that I told you, that query wizard and query design, both are available. So with the help of query design, we will be designing the simple query. Query means simple, asking some questions to the table and in return and you will get the result. So if I click on query design, it will ask me like to insert the table on which I need to create the query. So for example, I will be creating on student detail now. I will click on that and then add. After adding, close the show table window, and here you can see the query. It is showing you like roll number, the fields which are available in that table like roll number, student name, class, DOB, gender. It is visible there. Now we will need to select some fields, for example, which should be visible if I run the query. So for example, here you can see in the downside like a grid, you can say grid is available like field, table, sort, shows, criteria, or. So one by one we'll select the fields which we want to be visible after running the query. Click here. So from this table I want roll number, it should be visible when I run the query. Second, for example, student name, that it should be visible, and the last one is gender. Okay, now we are looking towards right now like using a single query on a table. So here I will mention one single criteria. For mentioning criteria, here you can see in criteria section, for example, I want to see only the gender like female student who are available in all specific result, like total 6 records are there. Out of that I want to see only the female students. So in single quote, you have to remember this. If you are using a characters like alphabets, if you are using, so you have to use a single quotation, and for example F for female and single quotation. So in single inverted like quotations, you have to give here the criteria if it is a alphabet. So I given here like F and simple. I will save this. For doing that, you can use Ctrl S as a shortcut key. It will ask you the name. So this is single query. So I given a simple name and I will click on OK. Once the query is created, it will be visible here. Like you can see queries, single query, it is saved here. To run the query, there are two ways. One way is double clicking on this, simple, or in the design tab here itself, when you create a query, a run option will come with a red exclamatory sign. There also you can click to run the query. So if I click on this, you can see the female candidate in our record. Total 6 records were there, and out of that total 2 female candidates are there like Sangeeta Verma and Tina Gupta with roll numbers. It is coming here. Okay, so this one is creating of a single query on a single table with a single criteria. Okay, now we will see how to create query on a multiple criteria, and condition is there, and another one is or condition. How to use both conditions, that we'll see. So for doing that same process we will use, click on the like table, go in create tab, and there you have again query design option. Click on that. Again the same process, click select the table which you want to like create a query on that, select that and click on add. Once you added the table, same process we will follow but with some different criteria. So for and criteria is what, when you type criteria on the same line. So for example, I will select the field first, like student name, I want it should be visible. Second thing, I want the class, it should be visible, and the next thing is gender. Right now we are seeing example for and condition. So for specifying the and condition, same process in single line in criteria, we will mention the conditions. So single quotation again, 8 dash A in single inverted. Then again it should be a male student, so again with single quote M, like this. So what we are doing actually here in criteria, like in AND criteria, if both the criteria are met, that time only the result will be displayed. So it should be a student of 8A and it should be a male student, that time only, or that result only will be visible in front of you. So I'm saving this query now. This is AND query. Okay. So for running, same, run, and here you can see like 8A again, like class we mentioned that it is coming and gender male. So specific to that condition it is satisfying, so it is showing you the same result there, like 8A student and male, that is Vicky Verma and Arjun Puri. So that is the AND condition. Next, same with OR. So for doing the same process we will follow. Click the table, go in create tab, query design, again add the table like student detail, add, close this. Now here again we'll select student name, then here student class, and here this one is gender. Now in OR criteria it will be not be on a single, but when you type one criteria on the criteria line, this criteria is here, we will type one criteria and another one will type in the OR one, or the option is there like OR line, so there we will type. So 8A, and here in OR like gender it should be, or it can be a male student as well. So here you can see in earlier example of AND, in single line of criteria we mentioned that it should be a 8A student and male student. It means it is mandatory. Once the condition met or it is satisfied with this, that time only the result will be displayed. But now what we are doing in OR condition, either it will be a student or a male student, still it should be visible. So if a male student it is of 8B, still it will come there. If it is of 8C, still it will come there. So same we have mentioned here. Now I will save this with OR query. Okay. So now you can see I have created this query. Just I will run by clicking on run option. So OR run. Now here you can see two conditions we have mentioned there, that it should be a 8A student, so it is coming. It is a female student, still it is showing because 8A is getting matched there. But another condition we specified in OR that it can be a male student again. So male student of 8B, again it is coming here. So male students as well as a 8A student is coming in the OR query. So that one is AND and OR query. So AND is something where both conditions should be matched, which is specified in a single line in criteria 1. In OR query, so two conditions we are specified, in first in criteria and second one is in OR. So either one of them, if it is matching, it will give you the result. So that one is your working with multiple criteria.